Hey everyone, it's Marc Guzman again. So today I want to talk about guaranteed fees. Now, I'm not going to get into all the details about this because it can get very complicated, but basically what guaranteed fees are, when you as a homeowner, or actually a home buyer, when you purchase a property, 75% of the loans that originated are sold off to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Okay? Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac charge what's called a G fee, also, which is a guaranteed fee, which is basically insurance in case you default on your loan. Okay? Now, they charge a certain percentage of, they call them basis points. Well, just last year, Congress passed for April 1st of 2012 this year an increase in those guaranteed fees. Now, what the increase will pay for is for the extended payroll tax cut that they also approved last year. Okay, so that already passed. It's happening April 1st. So any home buyer that purchases a property, 75% of you are going to be paying an increased guarantee fee between if you buy a home between April 1st and October of 2021. Okay, well, now there's an amendment in the Senate going through. Doesn't matter if you're Republican or Democrat, it's being sponsored by both parties, but there's an amendment to this bill that was passed in Congress, which, sorry about that. So the amendment, okay, it basically says that they can increase the fees further if need be, and they can use these fees for different purposes. Okay, now what does different purposes really mean? Well, here's a shocking thing. The different purpose that they want to amend this bill for and start charging any home buyers for the next 9 years, they want to use this additional money to pay for the BP oil spill that happened 2 years ago. They're still in the process of cleaning it up, and it's costing them billions of dollars. And instead of charging BP, well, they are charging BP, but only so many $billion, and then the rest, the government's having to fork over to get the whole Gulf of Mexico cleaned up. Well, guess where they're going to get those fees from? They're going to collect them in the next 9 years from anyone who purchases a property. And 75% of you that buy a property between now and October 2021 will be basically taxed just to pay for the BP oil spill. Now, is that right? No, it's definitely wrong. So below, I included a link. Click on the link, find out who your state senator is, contact them, and blow up their email, blow up their phone number, and tell them this cannot get amended. These fees are for Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. These fees are for housing purposes only. They should not be used to pay for different purpose expenses. So get active, get political, and we can make a difference.